This video is brought to you by Javed Abdi Foundation. As an advocacy effort, we hope our voice is heard.
Hello everyone, hope you are all safe in your homes. We, students with and without disabilities, want to bring your attention unanimously to the challenges faced by students with disabilities during this lockdown.
While educational institutions have been closed for more than a month now, some of them have started imparting education through online platforms. It's a great initiative. But what about the students with disabilities? We are facing so many barriers in accessing online education.
What is now being seen as the new normal, like remote learning, social distancing, uh, they should be non-discriminatory and inclusive to people with disabilities. The Rights of Persons with Disabilities 2016 Act mandates that non-discrimination and accessible and inclusive education for persons with disabilities. So there's no question about it. It should be done.
We have submitted some recommendations to the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Higher Education, and we'll be sharing some of them here with you.
Students with disability should be able to self-identify and seek a reasonable accommodation related to their specific disability in accessing online education.
This recommendation goes out to the Ministry. The Equal Opportunity Office or the Office for Disability Services must reach out to each student with a disability to check if their academic needs are being met.
All the classes conducted using online video conferencing tools should be made accessible and inclusive.
Use an accessible web, video conferencing platform, assistive technologies like screen reader, magnifier, and speech recognition software. Also upload the lectures materials in accessible format.
Some platforms have the provision for auto live captioning or transcripts. These are about 80% accurate. They can be used as time is of the essence. Google Meet, Microsoft Teams are platforms that are reasonably accessible with the option of auto captioning. Many other web conferencing products are also accessible.
Hello, my name is Sodamini. I'm currently in my third year of LLB. Some points for deaf students are 1. Providing them with sign language interpreters. Colleges and schools must take up the responsibility to make their education accessible. But this interpreter should be selected by the deaf person themselves. The deaf person must be involved in the process to select the sign language interpreter for them. This decision must not be taken by schools or interpreters without involving the deaf person. You may contact the Indian Sign Language Interpreters Association or Association of Sign Language Interpreters for interpretation services. ISLRTC is also another option for the same. You may ask them if they require a note taker. Along with the sign language interpreter, a note taker may be present to write down notes in English or whichever language that is being used. This way, the deaf student can benefit from both interpretation and written notes. So, they must be provided with a note taker if they require one.
PPTs should be shared in advance with people with print disability. It should be ensured that the information on PPTs be read aloud as well as the images and diagrams be described.
There should be captions, audio descriptions and transcriptions available in the videos so that it will help deafblind people to understand the videos.
There should be recording of all lectures and it should be made available to students with captioning and transcripting.
All Whalers, documents and worksheets should be made accessible as per standards, and to this end, the following points should be kept in mind. Please avoid scanned images. If there is no source text available, then the scanned images can be converted into search text using OCR. And Adobe Acrobat Pro can be actually used for converting accessible text and for fixing any accessible issues.
Make documents accessible by using proper heading levels, alt text for images, pictures, and diagrams, meaningful hyperlinks, simple table structures, using numbered or bulleted lists, good color contrast, or any other useful measure.
Creating a technical help desk to provide support to students and faculty members who are facing difficulty in accessing online session courses or regarding any accessibility issue. The university administration could decorate a pool of volunteers, teaching assistants, guidance counselors in this regard.
Students should not be penalized if they are unable to attend online education classes because of their disability, health problems, or due to lack of access to technology. Some offline solutions should be worked.
ऑनलाइन जितने भी लाइब्रेरी है वो ब्लाइंड के प्रति सभी को एक्सेसिबल होना चाहिए। सब सुगम पुस्तकालय के ही तरह उससे ज़्यादा जितना हो सके एक्सेसिबल होना चाहिए हमें पढ़ने में, या कोई भी ऑनलाइन क्लास या पेपर देने में ऑनलाइन एक्सेसिबल सभी लाइब्रेरी में होना चाहिए, जो हमें किसी भी प्रकार की दिक्कत ना हो।
Give adequate time to students with disabilities to prepare for any examination. All support should be provided to students with disabilities, such as a scribe, extra time, accessible assessment formats, whether with large print, braille, accessible soft copy, etc., modified assessments as per individual need.
All the above recommendations which we have submitted to the Ministry of Human Resource Development are also applicable to school education and entrance examinations which have been postponed due to COVID-19. Guidelines need to be issued in this regard.
We urge you to consider and take into account these recommendations, as we all know that this situation is going to continue for some time.
We realize that our government is under a lot of pressure, but our future is at stake.
We are acutely aware that the situation is grim, but we are also acutely aware that if we don't advocate for our rights during the digitization of education, then we will be left out once again. And that is something we can't afford. It's now or never.
Nothing without us.
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 And remember, nothing without us.
Let's all advocate for making online education accessible for students with disabilities. #NothingWithoutUs. If you want to join this campaign, please email us at shamir@jaf.org.in.